The recent administrative reorganization in Lahore involves the creation of 5 tehsils has significant legal and administrative implications. Here is a detailed analysis. The Punjab government has approved the creation of 5 new tehsils in Lahore, increasing the total number to 10. The new tehsils are Wagha, Jallu, Shadra, Niaz Beg and Ashtar Colony. Legal framework and administrative law, provincial authority. The creation of the new tehsils fall under the jurisdiction of provincial government, especially the Board of Revenue, which oversees the land administration and revenue collection. Approval process. The summary of the creation of new tehsils was sent to the Punjab Chief Minister and approval was required by the provincial government. This was made to ensure that legal requirements are fulfilled. Management and governance. Appointment of officials. The government has appointed assistant commissioners for the new tehsils who will be responsible for the local administration and the governors. Resources allocation. Each tehsil will have designated seats and resources to manage the local affairs efficiently. Implication administrative efficiency. Improve governance. The creation of new tehsils aim to enhance the governance by decentralizing the administrative functions and bringing services closer to the people. Public relief programs. The reconstruction is expected to improve the implications of the public relief programs and financial system. Legal and social impact. Legal changes. Any legal challenges to the creation of the new tehsil would likely to be focused by the procedural aspects such as whether the proper legal process were followed and whether the decision aligned with the existing laws and regulations. Public response. The public response to be reorganized will be crucial. Effective communication and transparency from the government can be help to address any concern. The creation of 5 new tehsil represents a significant administrative change aimed at improving the governance and service delivery. The legal framework supports the reorganization provided that all procedure requirements are met. The success of this initiative depends on the effective implementation and management.